Hello guys, myself Mr. Pramod Murari and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn to Earn for Life. So in this small video I will be discussing about the relation between the sequence components of the phase voltages and the sequence component of the line voltages in a star connected system. We know that in a star connected system the phase voltages are different from the line voltages, but if the phase voltages are known, the line voltages can be determined by using the expression V line is equals to root 3 V phase. Similarly, if the sequence components of the phase voltages are known, it is possible to determine the sequence components of the line voltages. So in this session we will be finding the relation between the line sequence voltages and the phase sequence voltages. Before we move further, we should know the notations for the phase voltages as V suffix small a, V suffix small b, V suffix small c. You can observe here. You should know that what are the notations for the sequence components of phase voltages with respect to phase A. V suffix small a naught, V suffix small a1, V suffix small a2. Should also know what are the notations for the line voltages. V suffix capital A, V suffix capital B, V suffix capital C, as well as the notations for the sequence components of the line voltages with respect to phase A are V suffix capital A naught, V suffix capital A1 and V suffix capital A2 for the negative sequence voltage. Let us take VA, VB, VC as the phase voltages having the phase sequence as A, B, C. You can observe here the phase sequence A, B and C. The three line voltages of the system are VBC, VCA and VAB. VBC, VCA and VAB. From the elementary vector algebra, we can write VBC as VC minus VB, VCA as VA minus VC and VAB as VB minus VA. Further, we can write the expression for VBC as VA, that is V suffix capital A, where it is opposite to the vertex A, that's why it is represented like that. We can write VCA as V suffix capital B opposite to vertex B. VAB is equals to VC opposite to vertex C. So by using these relations or the expressions, we can write the positive sequence component of line voltages as VA1 is equals to 1 by 3 into VA plus A into VB plus A square into VC. You can observe we have also written such kind of the expressions for the phase sequence voltages also. In the same way, we are writing the positive line sequence voltage like this by using the line voltages VA, VB, VC. After solving this, we will be finding the positive line sequence voltage as like this. But we know that the expression for the positive phase sequence voltage as 1 by 3 into VA plus A VB plus A square VC. Writing the expression, keeping this expression at the LHS side, we will get 3 into VA1. So we can substitute in that place. We also know that by A operator, A minus A square is equals to J root 3. Therefore, after substituting in the above expressions, we can have VA1 is equals to 1 by 3 into J root 3 into 3 into VA1. Here 3 get cancels. Finally, the expression for the positive line sequence voltage as VA1 is equals to J root 3 into the positive phase sequence voltage. So by observing this expression, we can write the positive sequence component of line voltage is root 3 times the positive sequence component of the phase voltage and leads the corresponding phase voltage by 90°. The negative sequence component of the line voltage is written like this. VA2 is equals to 1 by 3 into VA plus A square VB plus AVC. So after solving this, we'll get the expression like this. So in place of A plus A square VB plus AVC, we can write as 3 into VA2. We also know that A square minus A is equals to minus J root 3. Substituting this in this expression, we will get 1 by 3 into minus J root 3 into 3 into VA2. After cancelling 3, we will get the final expression as VA2 is equals to minus J root 3 into VA2. This is the relation between the line sequence voltage and the phase sequence voltage for the negative symmetrical component. Hence, by observing this expression, we can write the negative sequence component of the line voltage is root 3 times the negative sequence component of the phase voltage and lags the corresponding phase voltage by 90°. Finally, the zero sequence component of the line voltages are written like this. VA naught is equals to 1 by 3 into VA plus VB plus VC. By substituting the values for VA, VB, VC and solving it, we will get the value as 0. And hence, the zero line sequence components are always equals to 0. Finally, I can write all the three expressions. We found VA naught is equals to 0. We found VA1 is equals to J root 3 into VA1. We found VA2 is equals to minus J root 3 into VA2. So these are the relations between the line sequence voltages and the phase sequence voltages in a star connected system. Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.